So if you're in a bind and looking to make $500 fast, this is the video for you. I'm going to be sharing with you what to do as well as what not to do when looking to make quick cash. Unfortunately, there's a lot of businesses out there that take advantage of the financially vulnerable. So let's start off by talking about what to avoid when you're in a bind. The first thing to avoid is payday loans. These are small loans made to borrowers that typically have no other option, and the interest rates are absolutely insane. So please avoid this at all costs if possible. And the other thing you want to avoid is any form of gambling. So don't try to hit it big with a very small amount of money that you may have, because that is almost always going to be a recipe for disaster. So with that out of the way, let's talk about the options that you do have to make some quick money right now. Depending on what bank you use, you could possibly switch over to one that offers early deposit of your paycheck. You see, most banks out there are going to process your paycheck on payday, which for most people is going to be on Friday. There are, however, numerous banks out there that pay you a few days early when you set up direct deposit. So you can get your paycheck 2 days early with banks like Chime, Ally, and there's countless others out there. Keep in mind though, all they're doing is giving you early access to your money. So there is the potential for you to spend your money sooner than you were prior. So make sure that you're still budgeting your money very carefully if you're using early direct deposit. Now, if you need physical cash in your hand today, the best option that most of us have is selling high value items. Maybe it's a gaming console or a piece of jewelry. What you're gonna wanna do is take inventory of what you have, especially items of high value, and then see what they're selling for on sites like Facebook Marketplace. And if you're looking for some ideas, popular high-value items include any type of yard or lawn equipment, designer clothing, as well as collectibles and jewelry. But depending on the urgency of your situation, you may have to part ways with your items at prices that you may not be too happy with. And that's because in order to get a quick sale these days, you typically have to price your items at least 20% below the normal market value for a quick transaction today. Offering free delivery really can help because a lot of people would be willing to buy stuff, but they may not have transportation. Now, believe it or not, a lot of us have money that is owed to us that we are entirely unaware of, and this is referred to as unclaimed funds. If a business or other entity out there owes you money and they're unable to get it to you, typically after a period of time, that money is surrendered over to the state's Unclaimed Fund office. And if you go to unclaimed.org, there's a clickable map by state that will bring you to each state's Unclaimed Funds website, and then you can simply search for your last name or your business entity names, and it's important to do this in any state that you've ever lived in. If you find an unclaimed fund, there's typically a verification process, and then the state will mail you a physical check with that amount of money. I have personally had viewers on this channel find thousands of dollars owed to them through unclaimed funds, so don't sleep on this one. So the next option here is a creative spin on the cash advance business. Dave is a fintech company that offers people an interest-free cash advance up to $500 with no late fees and no credit check of any kind. And just to be transparent, guys, this video is not sponsored by them. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. Once you get your cash advance, you can spend it immediately using the Dave spending account with the debit card. After that, you agree to pay back the advance by a set settlement date, but even if you don't pay it back by then, they don't charge late fees. For the final idea, you could tap into the gig economy and use one of the many apps out there for delivering items, food, or even people to their destinations. While it is unlikely to make $500 right out of the gate with these apps, this is one of the best options you have in front of you for making quick money. In terms of Uber, most people report making anywhere from $25 to $50 per hour, but keep in mind that vehicle costs and gas are not factored into that figure. But there's other apps out there that are worth considering too, such as Rover. This is an app that can allow you to offer pet-related services like dog walking, and many people have reported making about $1,000 weekly using this app. So at the end of the day, there's good options out there, and then there's bad options out there when it comes to short-term cash needs. But if you're looking to create an additional revenue stream that could potentially help you with your cash problems that you may be having, a side hustle is really your your best option for that. I wrote a book about how to launch your very own side hustle, following in my exact footprint. And this is available in person at Barnes & Noble, or it's also on Amazon as well as Audible. So if you're serious about getting a side hustle, this is the book for you. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, and turn on all notifications so you don't miss the next video, and I'll see you next time.